Hello my beautiful beauty gallery vendors. Welcome back to another awesome tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching us how to upload our course content, our video course content in our platform. First we will learn how to create the title, the description, the requirement, and then next we will now upload the video, right? And then finally we synchronize it with the server such that it will not be made available for students to view and watch whenever they subscribe. Okay, so I'm already signed in to my account, so now I will now scroll down. I already signed into my account, so I'll scroll down to the tab where I have Academy, right? So I'll click on Academy. As you can see, I already have 2 published courses here, 2 paid students, but no payment for this month, right? Please forgive me for this. This is a code error, but I'm going to correct it. It keeps skipping my mind, but I'm going to correct it. Okay. Now I'm not going to my courses, right? Going to my courses simply means I want to view my existing courses, but at this time I want to create a new course. So I'll go to new course, right? I'll go to a new course, and I've already titled the course to be Foundation. That's it. Now I'm going to show us why this page is here, but for now let's go back here. So the title of the course is Foundation Application, how to get the flawless base, right? I don't know what this means, but I just got it somewhere. Okay, now for me, I may not really have a clear direction on what that tutorial means, but I'm going to use ChatGPT right now to create my description, what student will learn, and the requirement. That is basically what you see here. So you add description, you add what student will learn, and then here you add the requirement, right? And then finally here you add thumbnail. All of this has been created, but we've not created this one. So I'll come back here, I'll click on ChatGPT to generate me the description, the what student will learn, and the requirement, right? I don't really have an idea of that, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm using ChatGPT to help me on this task. So it has created the description. I'll copy it, right, and I'll come here, I'll paste the description, then I'll come back here. Oh, sorry for that, please. Sorry for that, please. I don't know, my mouse went off. Then I'll come back here. I'll copy the what student will learn. Then I'll paste it here. And then finally, I'll copy the requirement. Now please note, this may not be applicable to your case. Is basically for purpose of tutorial, right? Basically for purpose of tutorial. Now the next I will do is to select the category of the tutorial I'm making, and it falls under makeup. So I'll select makeup, and then what level is it? Beginner or intermediate or advanced? Is of course beginner, so I'll select that. How much is it? Price. Right now this is 0 Naira. So now if student want to take the exam, what is the pass mark I set? I set it for 60%. You can set it higher or lower, whichever one feels okay with you. Then I make it free, yeah, right? Then I will upload my thumbnail. I'm going to upload my thumbnail so you will see how it looks like. I'm using listen here. So let me just show us my thumbnail. Okay, change the, yeah, let me just get my thumbnail. Okay, that's my thumbnail here, right? So I'm gonna use this. Okay, then sorry, here I'll change it from draft to published, right? And then I'll click create course. Now the course has been created. The next thing I need to do now is to upload the video, right? So I'm going to upload the video that has already been created for this. So I'll click add video. It will open a page where I will add my video, and we'll progress from there. Okay, now here's where I'm going to click to add my video. I'll select here. Here's the video here, right? Here's the video. Then I'll click on it. Again, I'll get the title of the tutorial, which is this one. The essence of this is to sync it with the video server. So I'll copy the description again. Because in this course, you may have multiple videos. Sorry, you may have multiple videos for this course. So it's important you create different courses for them, for each of them. Sorry, for different description and title, maybe video 1, video 2, and the rest of them. So here, I'm setting it to 1, which means the order, right? Then I will click on allow free preview. This simply means you want your if maybe this is the first video in this course, and I want students to view it first to understand what it is, then I will click on allow free preview, right? Now in this case, what I strongly suggest in this is let this be the introductory video for this course, for the course you are putting together. Let this be the introductory, so that when students watch it, as you can see here, it said allow free preview for non-enrolled students can watch. Non-enrolled, which means students that have not registered, right? Students that have not registered and enrolled can watch it. So why it is important to use to use your introductory video in this is you are giving the student in-depth idea of what he or she is going to learn in this course, right? It's not enough to just for them to read, but giving them an idea of the video, of the course will give an insight, right? So I recommend that, and after which we'll now click upload video. Now depending on the size of the video, it might take a couple of minutes to upload, right? Now when I click on upload, watch this point to say uploading video. Now what that means is it's uploading it to the server, a partnering company where your videos are resident, right? So I'm going to click. As you can see, it's uploading to Gumlet. Gumlet is where our videos are stored, but nobody except you, that is the instructor, I'm sorry, the vendor. Student wouldn't know where it is, and even if they try to use what we call view script, they wouldn't see, because it's completely encrypted, right? The videos are encrypted, and thank God for PHP codes too are encrypted, so even if you click the back end, you won't see the script, right? So let's give it a few seconds to upload. I think I may just pause the video, and once sometimes I'm scared pausing this video. but I will crop this part when it's done, but it won't really take much. It's important we just see how it works. So it's uploading the video, and the video I did is about yeah, it's done. The video has been uploaded. Now you need to sync it. You need to sync the video. As you can see here, it says sync video status, right? Now as you can see, it's showing only edit and delete, which means the video time, and yeah, the video time has not been synced because of the upload, right? So what you simply need to do is click on this button. If it will now show you this message, which means video ready, uploaded video is to ready status. I don't know what it means. Okay, but it's not really ready, so you give it a few seconds again, right? Now after a few seconds or a few minutes, you click on it again. The essence is to make sure that is done. Okay, it's still, because it's lengthy, right? Because it's lengthy, this is why it's taking this. So we'll give it a few seconds again to finish. Once the video is synced, you will now see preview, edit and delete button showing here, right? Yeah, you see now it has synced. So you see that preview is available right now. So if you click on preview now, let's see how it goes. Yeah, so this is a preview of what the students will see before they now fully enroll. So it's important you do this, right? It's important you do this so that students will understand what they're going to learn and then enroll. Okay, so this is basically how to upload your video for a course. Now if you have other videos, for example, this is in this course you have 10 videos, right? All you need to do is let's go back here. This is the course, right? This is the course, right? I think this is the course. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, this is the course, right? So when you come to the course, all you need to do is click on video. Oh, I don't, what do I do? Okay. Yeah, click on video and then click on add video. When you click on add video, it will open the page again for you to add new video. So you keep doing it that way. Yeah, you keep doing it that way till you finish all the videos for this very course, right? So this is basically how to add videos to a course, or rather how to create a course and add videos. As you can see now, I have 3 courses here, then 3 also published, but in all I have 2 students enrolled, right? So I'm sure with this you must have learned how to do this, how to create your course, upload. Now in the next video I'm going to show us how a student can enroll for this course and start learning. Thank you. I'll see you in the next course.